Welcome to a new video on our Motivation in Business channel. Today we will shed light on an aspect that many may fear, but is actually one of the greatest tools you can use to become a successful investor. Yes, we are going to talk about failure. Whether you are a beginner in the world of investing or a professional, failure is inevitable. But have you ever thought that failure might be the most important lesson you will ever learn? In this video, we will explore how failure can shape your investment strategies and how it can become a bridge to success. First, let's face it. No one wants to fail, but the truth is that investing is inherently risky. You will not succeed every time, but failure here is not the end of the story. In fact, it is the beginning of a deeper understanding. Failure teaches you caution. When you lose in a certain investment, your brain begins to analyze every decision you made. Were you hasty? Was there missing information? These experiences create the ability for you to analyze risks more accurately in the future. Failure creates learning opportunities. No book or training course can teach you the lessons you will learn from real failure. Failure in investing gives you invaluable knowledge that will make you better prepared for the next attempt. Mental toughness. Consistent success may make you slack, but failure forces you to develop mental resilience that makes you more resilient and gives you the strength to keep going, even in difficult circumstances. Here are some key lessons you can learn from failing in your investments. The importance of diversification. Many investors put all their money in one basket, believing that they have chosen the perfect investment. But when this strategy fails, you learn an important lesson. Diversification is your protection against unexpected fluctuations in the market. It is important to spread your investments across a variety of assets. Long-term thinking. Failure teaches you that investing is a long-term game. If you are looking for a quick profit, you may find yourself facing huge losses. Failure shows you the importance of being patient and focusing on long-term gains. Controlling emotions. One of the biggest mistakes investors make is making their decisions based on emotions. When you fail because of a decision you made based on fear or greed, you realize the importance of rational thinking and emotional detachment from your investments. Learning from the market. Markets change quickly, and failing in investing makes you realize that success depends on the ability to adapt to these changes. The market is always changing, and failure is a reminder that you need to be flexible and willing to change your strategy. When we think about today's great investors and entrepreneurs, we often forget that many of them started their success stories through failure. Let's remember some of them. Warren Buffett. Even the wisest investors like Warren Buffett have gone through tough times and losses in their careers. In fact, Buffett admits that some of his investments were wrong, but he learned from each failure to become wiser and more accurate in his investment decisions. Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, failed in many ventures before succeeding in building the largest online store in the world. He tried many products and services that did not work, but he never stopped trying and adapting. Richard Branson. Richard Branson, the founder of Virgin, also faced many failures. Some of his investments did not work out, but he always saw failure as part of the learning journey. Failure is not just a negative experience, it can be a stepping stone to success if you know how to deal with it. Here's how to turn failure into success. Analyze failure. Instead of feeling discouraged, use failure as a learning opportunity. Ask yourself, what didn't work? How could I have avoided it? Failure becomes valuable when you turn it into a practical lesson. Reevaluate and adapt. The market is always changing, and you need to be ready to adjust your strategy based on these changes. Failure teaches you to be flexible and able to quickly adapt to new circumstances. Move forward and don't give up. Failure may slow you down, but it should not stop you. Persistence is the key. Every time you fail is a step towards success, if only you keep trying and learning. In the end, always remember that failure is not the end, but a new beginning towards success. Every successful investor has had failures, but the difference is that they didn't stop at failure. They used these experiences to develop their strategies and continue to improve and learn. If you want to become a successful investor, you must accept failure and see it as part of your journey. Don't be afraid to take risks, because risk is the only way to reach true success. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, Motivation in Business, for more inspiring tips and strategies in the world of investment.